Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to show you guys a quick mod that I did to make it so I can charge my phone even without the key in the ignition. Let me show you. So here's the regular cigarette outlets, and you can see it's charging. So what you want to do is, you notice that I took out one of the relays, and that relay is for the power outlet, the one on the bottom right. And you'll see I just jumped the two bottom wires on the relay, and basically it's just bypassing the switching action for the relay, just basically just making it always hot. And so that's what you need to do. So let me take it out and show you. All it is just a piece of wire. Looks like it's like 16 gauge, maybe 14. It's probably 16. And then two female terminals on the end. And then you just have enough to make a U, and then just plug it into the bottom two connectors. So here's a closer look at the relay. So it's these, let me see, that guy and the bottom one right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect it and show you guys how easy it is. And what I ended up doing was just taking that relay out and putting it into the fog light, because it uses the same one. I actually don't need that fog light anymore, but when I did have the fog lights, I just reused that. It was actually missing from the factory. So let me see. Hang on a second here. So you can see here, one goes in that one, and then the other one goes in the bottom one. Sorry if you guys can't see. And that's it. And once you do that, your power outlet is now always hot, and you don't need the key anymore to use your cigarette outlets. It also applies to the rear cigarette outlet, the one in the cargo area. So that's it. That's all you need to do.